So number 6 is how many seconds are in a 24-hour day? So what we can do here is we can use this concept of unit analysis for us to solve this problem here. So let's look at some conversions that we need to know first. So we have so these are some conversions. So in a day, how many hours are in a day? So we're going to take our biggest value here, which is a day, and then we're going to try to we're going to write out the conversions for it as well. So in one day, I have 24 hours, right? And then in 1 hour, I have, well, how many minutes in an hour? I have 60 minutes in an hour. And then in 1 minute, how many seconds do I have in a minute? Well, I have 60 seconds in a minute. So these guys are going to be my conversions for this value here. So it's asking us, well, in a 24-hour day, how many seconds are there? So let's look at how we solve this problem. Well, in 1 day, we use this concept of unit analysis. So in 1 day, I'm going to multiply it by I know I have 24 hours in 1 day, and then I'm going to multiply that by, I want to convert now hours into minutes, right? So in 1 hour, I have 60 minutes. So I have 60 minutes in 1 hour. And then I can say, well, how many seconds do I have in a minute? Well, I have 60 seconds in 1 minute per 1 minute. And once we see these seconds, we can stop here because it's asking us what the seconds here, right? So as you can see, these units cancel out. The days cancel out here. The hours cancel out. The minutes also cancel out, and we're left here with seconds. So all we're doing here is we're multiplying. Let me do this back in purple. We're doing 1 times 24 times 60 times 60, and this will give us how many seconds in 1 day. So 1 times 24 is 24 times 60 times 60. 24 times 60 will give me, let's see, 24 times 60 gives me 1440 times 60, and this is going to give me a value of 86400, and this is going to be seconds. And as you can see, that's the correct answer that I got here, which is nice. So therefore, I can say in 24-hour day, there are 86,400 seconds. And this is our solution for this problem. So this solution here is correct. They didn't use unit analysis like I did, but this is also a valid form because they actually broke this down into 1 day they went from hours to they went from hours to minutes first and minutes to seconds, and then they went backwards and they did days to hours. It doesn't really matter about the order because when you're multiplying kind of values here, integers or real numbers here, the multiplication is commute, so it doesn't matter what the order you do. What's the order for multiplication? So the solution here is correct.